Good day, miss. How are you today?
I'm good, sir, madam.
Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Camille Hermohino, 24 years old. I'm single. I have one brother and one sister. My father is a driver and my mother is a housewife. I graduated my vocational course, housekeeping. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 2 years, since 2011 to 2013.
And what are your major duties in the Philippines?
My major duties here in the Philippines is to take good care of the child aged 5 years old.
Okay, can you tell us your daily activities in child care?
Sir, madam, I prepare meals for them, send them to school, read them some books. I love children very much.
And what are your other duties from your previous employer?
I clean the house, iron the clothes, prepare food for them, and I know all the household chores.
And what do you think is the reason why the baby is crying?
The baby is crying because the baby is not feeling well, or the baby is hungry, or the baby's diaper is wet.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Sir, madam, I can cook Filipino dishes like adobo and tinola.
Do you know how to go to market?
Yes, sir, madam.
How about do the marketing?
Yes, sir, madam.
And do you know the responsibilities of being a domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. The domestic helpers are the one who is taking good care of the house and take good care of the children and do the household chores.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to help my family.
Before we end, what is your last message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, I'm Camila Hermohino. Thank you for choosing me as one of your employees. I promise to do my work properly and I will finish the 2 years contract with you.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best smile?